Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from group 7. I am Haura Alia Akila Putri as a moderator and my friend Pediana Putri, Cindy Sriwilasa Putri, Dinaria Masyagian, and Nabila Liza Cinta Felita. So guys, today we will discuss retail management course about information system in retailing. So let's get started. Retail management manage store with information system that cover planning, inventory, finance, logistics, and point of transaction. Information technology or IT support the electronic processing, storage, and distribution of business data, both manual and automated. This unit discusses the role of IT in improving operational efficiency and integrating in the retail sector. Manajemen retail mengelola toko dengan sistem informasi yang mencakup perencanaan, inventaris, keuangan, logistik, dan transaksi point of sale. Teknologi informasi atau TI mendukung pemrosesan, penyimpanan, dan distribusi data bisnis secara elektronik, baik manual maupun otomatis. Unit ini membahas peran TI dalam meningkatkan efisiensi operasional dan integrasi di sektor retail.
Importance of it in reality. Information technology IT is critical in retail, fostering collaboration between vendors and retailers. For example, Walmart uses IDE and supplier link to manage inventory, logistics, and supplier relationship transparently and responsibly. Strategic advantage through supply chain and information system. 1. Electronic supply chain management. ISCM streamlines the entire business process from raw materials to consumer, integrating design, product, inventory, distribution, and customer. It enables real-time communication, reducing costs, boosting efficiency, and enhancing speed. Bulan strategi melalui rantai pasokan dan sistem informasi. Manajemen rantai pasokan elektronik ISCM. ISCM menyederhanakan seluruh proses bisnis dari bahan mentah hingga konsumen dengan mengintegrasikan desain, produksi, inventaris, distribusi, dan layanan pelanggan. Hal ini memungkinkan komunikasi secara real-time, mengurangi biaya, meningkatkan efisiensi, dan meningkatkan kecepatan. 2. Strategic Information System. Strategic Information System support long-term strategies and decision making by offering competitive advantage through innovative application, business process, strengthening partnership, reducing costs, and fostering customer and supplier loyalty. Yang kedua, Sistem Informasi Strategis (SIS). Flow of information and product in the supply chain. Efficient information flow is vital for supply chain success, preventing issues like the bullwhip effect and improving decision making, inventory management, and coordination. ICT tools, including ERP and IDE, enable real-time data sharing, enhancing agility and responsiveness. Framework like the SCORS model helps structure product for better planning. Overall, ICT drives integration and collaboration in supply chain. Aliran informasi dan produk dalam rantai pasokan. Aliran informasi yang efisien sangat penting bagi keberhasilan rantai pasokan. Mencegah masalah seperti bullwhip efek dan meningkatkan pengembalian keputusan. Manajemen inventaris dan koordinasi. Alat TIC termasuk ERP dan EID memungkinkan pembagian dalam data secara real time, meningkatkan kelincahan daya dan tanggap.
Integrated system and networking in the modern retail world. First, Marketing Information System or MIS. MIS is a system designed to collect, store, and analyze marketing data. It helps retailers understand customer needs and behavior, identify market trends, and evaluate the effectiveness of promotional strategies. Pertama, Marketing Information System atau MIS. MIS adalah sistem yang dirancang untuk mengumpulkan, menyimpan, dan menganalisis data pemasaran. Sistem ini sangat membantu retailer dalam memahami kebutuhan dan perilaku pelanggan, mengidentifikasi tren pasar, dan mengevaluasi efektivitas strategi promosi. Second, the Retail Management Information System or RMIS. This system integrates various retail business process such as sales, inventory, and finance in one platform. With RMIS, retailer can manage all store operations efficiently, reduce and fragmentation and duplication, and ensure consistency of information across the organizations. Kedua, Retail Management Information System atau RMIS. Sistem ini mengintegrasikan berbagai proses bisnis seperti penjualan, inventaris, dan keuangan dalam suatu platform. Dengan RMIS, retailer bisa mengelola seluruh operasional toko secara efisien, mengurangi fragmentasi dan duplikasi data, dan memastikan konsistensi informasi di seluruh organisasi. Next, there is RFID technology or Radio Frequency Identification Device. RFID is a automatic identification technology that uses radio wave to read the right data on product text. Selanjutnya, ada teknologi RFID atau Radio Frequency Identification Device. RFID adalah teknologi identifikasi otomatis yang menggunakan gelombang radio untuk membaca dan menulis data pada tag produk. Finally, let's talk about networking. Networking is the infrastructure that connect device and system is a retail organization held locally and widely. With a good network, all store, warehouse, and headquarters can be integrated so data can be accessed quickly and securely. Terakhir, kita bahas tentang networking atau jaringan. Networking adalah infrastruktur yang menghubungkan perangkat dan sistem di organisasi retail, baik secara lokal maupun luas. Dengan jaringan yang baik, seluruh toko, gudang, dan kantor pusat bisa terintegrasi sehingga data dapat diakses dengan cepat dan aman. In conclusion, the implementation of integrated system and networking is essential to improve competitiveness and operational efficiency in the retail world. Kesimpulannya, penerapan sistem terintegrasi dan jaringan sangat penting untuk meningkatkan daya saing dan efisiensi operasional di dunia retail.
Electronic Data Interchange or EDI. Electronic Data Interchange or EDI is the process of exchanging business documents between organizations electronically in a structure which can readable format. Baik, yang pertama ada Electronic Data Interchange atau EDI. Yakni adalah proses pertukaran dokumen bisnis antar organisasi secara elektronik dalam format terstruktur dan dapat dibaca oleh mesin. 2. Barcoding. Barcoding is a technology used for automatic data collection by storing information in the form of lines and space. This information is typically a product code that can be read by a barcode scanner. Kedua ada barcoding. Barcoding adalah teknologi yang digunakan untuk mengumpulkan data secara otomatis dengan cara menyimpan informasi dalam bentuk garis-garis dan spasi. Informasi ini biasanya berupa kode produk yang dapat dibaca oleh barcode scanner. 3. Customer Database Management. Customer Database Management is the process of collecting comprehensive information about customer and potential customer, such as demographic data, physiographics, as well as purchasing habits and volumes. Yang ketiga ada Customer Database Management. Manajemen database pelanggan adalah proses pengumpulan informasi lengkap mengenai pelanggan dan calon pelanggan, seperti data demografis, psikografis, serta kebiasaan dan volume pembelian.
Electronic retailing. Electronic retailing or retailing refers to the process of selling goods and services through electronic media, especially the internet. It is a form of retail trade that is growing rapidly along with the adoption of information and communication technology by consumer and business. Dalam retail elektronik atau retailing mengacu pada proses penjualan barang dan jasa melalui media elektronik, terutama internet. Ini adalah bentuk retail yang berkembang pesat seiring dengan adopsi teknologi informasi dan komunikasi oleh konsumen dan pelaku usaha. 1. Role of web. The web plays a vital role in a retailing as interactive platform between retailers and consumer. The web enables retailers to reach global customer more cost effectively than brick and mortar stores. 1. Peran web. Web memainkan peran penting dalam retailing sebagai platform interaktif antara penjual dan pelanggan. Web memungkinkan pengecer menjangkau pelanggan global secara lebih hemat biaya dibanding toko fisik. 2. Online retailing. Advantages. Some of the main advantages of online retailing include low cost, wide market reach, convenience for customer, personalization, monitoring, and analysis. 3. Kedua, keuntungan retail online. Beberapa keuntungan utama dari retail online meliputi biaya rendah, jangkauan pasar yang luas, kenyamanan bagi pelanggan, personalisasi, pemantauan, dan analisis. Factor to be considered in developing website. Important factor to consider in developing a retailing site: a friendly and attractive user interface, UI design, easy navigation, security of transaction data, a trust payment system, clear and attractive product content, responsibility, capabilities. Yang ketiga, faktor-faktor yang perlu dipertimbangkan dalam pengembangan website. Faktor penting dalam mengembangkan situs retailing: antarmuka pengguna yang ramah dan menarik, navigasi yang mudah, keamanan transaksi data, sistem pembayaran terpercaya, konten produk yang jelas dan menarik, kemampuan responsif atau mobile friendly.
4. Limitation of web. Main challenge in e-tailing is security issue, customer retention, unsuitable for certain product categories, shopping is still a touch-feel-here experience, complicated medium, navigation hiccups, website design flaw, and limited access for the internet. 4. Keterbatasan web. Tantangan utama dalam e-tailing adalah masalah keamanan, retensi pelanggan tidak cocok untuk kategori produk tertentu, belanja masih berupa pengalaman sentuh dengan rasa dan dengar, media yang rumit, kendala navigasi, cacat lisensi situs web, dan akses terbatas ke internet. 5. Future trends in e-tailing. The future of retailing is shifting to a shopping, with customer prioritizing convenience and efficiency. Brick-and-mortar stores must adapt of offering unique, immersive experience or serving as showrooms to complete online shopping. A marketing will rely heavily on personalized, data-driven strategies using consumer behavioral insight for precise targeting. Suppliers must embrace the direct-to-consumer model and innovate to stay competitive in the developing landscape. 5. Tren masa depan dalam e-tailing. Masa depan retail beralih ke e-shopping. Dengan konsumen memprioritaskan kenyamanan dan efisiensi, toko fisik harus beradaptasi dengan menawarkan pengalaman unik dan mendalam atau berfungsi sebagai ruang pamer untuk melengkapi belanja online. Pemasaran elektronik akan sangat bergantung pada strategi dan dipersonalisasi dan berbasis data. Menggunakan wawasan perilaku konsumen untuk penargetan yang tepat, pemasok harus merangkul model langsung ke konsumen dan berinovasi agar tetap kompetitif dalam lanskap yang terus berkembang. So guys, we think this enough for this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.
For any retail business, whether it be a single store or a large chain, to be competitive in today's economy, it is imperative to have an innovative point-of-sale system as part of a comprehensive business solution. But how you choose the right POS system and business solution from all the options flooding the market? With more than a decade of experience and over 1,700 clients supported, look no further than Retail Information Systems. Retail Information Systems, with their flagship product, Retail Pro, provides cost-effective, highly configurable and scalable POS and inventory control solutions to retailers worldwide. What differentiates RIS from their competitors is that they offer a complete end-to-end solution for retailers. Linked Retail, an e-commerce solution that extends Retail Pro's capability to the web by integrating with Magento. OptCulture, a multi-channel marketing solution that assists your business in connecting with your customers via SMS, email, direct mail, and social networks worldwide. Retail Next, an in-store analytics tool for traffic counting, conversion, and loss prevention. Retail Intelligence is a web-based reporting module for both Retail Pro V8 and V9. And Linked Retail Suite, which allows retailers to access rich inventory catalogs and submit purchase orders directly from Retail Pro to their suppliers. Retail Information Systems follows you along each step of your growth story, providing operations, merchandising, business intelligence, and experienced in-house customization services. Let Retail Information Systems help you take control of your business. Contact us now.